DJ Nora with Alkaline when I say some of the greats them, but them is years of work, so them build a fan base there.
A few moments later.
Yo, Alkaline, bad man, where you put another tune the dog? Cause from a wake from man the dog. All me depend, you know. Come in here, punchy drink it mixed with liquor and ice. Bumbuckler.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Got good, cute face, shape, clothes, gal, nice. Come in her cup and she mix it with liquor and ice. Holy doggy, Bumbuckler.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One Media Fox pan happen. So we say Shaggy forward out and I say some very interesting thing. You understand? And yo, you must say something where I think people need to look into these things, you know. You understand? But I guess everybody run on the hype and the cloud, and then when that run out, them career run out and I see what I want. Because music is not all about just releasing music. It's more to that. You have a brand, you have to build a fan base, all of these things, because your fan base will carry you through. And them are going to support you, whether if you drop an album or any project, or you do a show. You understand? So listen where the Shaggy say, is it me?
It's an interview with from DJ Nora with Alkaline when I say some of the greats them, but them is years of work, so them build a fan base there and have it. So you have to beat that, right? And what he's doing is trying to find ways to beat that, which is when I hear. I'm glad to hear that.
Alkaline said that?
Yeah, he's trying to find ways to be, because you know we come with fan base. Sean Paul have a fan base, Shaggy have a fan base. Is, you know what I mean? We're all is older, but Marley have a fan base. How do you beat that?
So that's why now when Alkaline forward out and him put in the contact lens, in this see a thing, you know, when he just forward out say yo, him say like Alkaline say yo, everybody say them bad, everybody say them this. So him say yo, him want to do something different to make everybody see what I go on, and him put in the contact lens, get him attention, everything, and him make use of it, and look on him today. You understand? So him have a plan, because enough people say yo, Alkaline fall off from 2016 and all of them look at thing there. But look what the youth are do now. Look on the youth album where everybody are talk about. You understand? All much artists are drop album, them never talk about it like this one, yeah. And the youth are use music to dominate the space. You see it? But look at now. The youth have a plan. You understand? Him have a plan, and it a work, because a lot of these artists, them now pretty bigger than the picture where them have put on them chest jaw, you understand? Or them dresser. You see it? Alkaline a pre something, or him can, you know, things them can do, find a way how to, you know, do what the greats do and more to that. You understand? Try to find a secret we are a build a path to reach to that level. You see me? So that the youth are try to do. You see me? That's why I'm more not to see the youth like that, you know, because the youth I see them gonna make certain things. You see it? And Shaggy a pre-wagwan, because look here, you notice him, so many people who interview, so many things said, and him point out that line what Alkaline said in our last interview. It shows a Shaggy a tune in, and people are watch Alkaline and listen what him say. You understand?
As a new artist, you gotta create moments, which is what he's doing,
yeah,
right? And he must say that's all he must study it, you know. And he's super bright, so he's gonna figure it out.
What do you think about him and the Barclays and doing that and dropping the album?
I think it's fantastic. You know what I mean? Because I don't, and it's not a man to really drop all the song that way either, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. No. I mean, you know, so for him to come out and really, there's certainly a mystique. You know, it kind of remind me of NBA Youngboy in a way, where there's a mystique with him. And
so me say the media page and IG start post that, and many people are talk about. Some of them I say, yo, I want to compare him. NBA Youngboy have bag of youths, Alkaline and no youths. Yo, NBA boy this, way. But them not understand, brother. Them attack base span, fan base, and how the two artists them move, like them just humble and all of them look at thing there. We not going over some different part, bro. Some of the time when you not listening, you know, when you just listen for just judge and just start run with be a madness and now listen and understand the situation. Because Shaggy does a point out, I don't know what it reach, but Alkaline and youth and young MA boys have youths. The man just say, look here, the youth them move mysterious. You see me, them not too out there like that, but them have a fan base. You understand? That the youth I talk about, and him fan base loyal to them. You see it? That him a point out. But you don't know about people that go run with some madness. You see me? But listen what Shaggy say.
Fan base kind of feel like a cult in a way, and they're very, very loyal to him. And him a go, you know what I mean? When we love to see it's all right. We're seeing action within the diaspora of these, Coliseum. It would start moving when we carry it elsewhere.
Yeah, man. So what Shaggy say? Him see what the diaspora thing are going and Ray, but him want to see like things where. Come remember say back in the days, Shaggy signed to a label and thing, and market himself out there and going to some places where majority no really go like that. See? So that Shaggy would see the youths them start to do that. But you don't know if a youth are gonna do it independently or so. That'll take a while. But at least he must show the way in a different way without, you see me, certain little machine or so. Alkaline have him way where him go reach out there, you understand? Who to knows what plan the youth have. You see it? Enough people say him couldn't sell out Barclays. See there, him are the youngest to do it. And I saw the thing say the youth just believe in himself. But people, man, nah lie still, You see, Gyal good song where Alkaline have. Yo, this a go run this summer, This now go normal. You see me, I remember say Alkaline I go do Dream Weekend. Na Monty go be a member that, and you don't know him have. I think him have at Trinidad. No, Guyana. Moderation, him have that show there and me. You understand? And I think him have a next one. I forward up. You see it? So you have to just look out, think of Antigua. Something like so. Yeah, I think of Antigua I'm gonna have. You see it? So people, I have to ready up and see what I go on, cause I'll take over the place. More to hear what that girl has about the song. The good girl good song. Yo, may I tell you say people, the girls them out. May I tell you say that song the girl them anthem this. May I tell you the girl them anthem this. If you check every story, every post, that song they behind the picture them. May I tell you.
But everybody else can stop make music. Just have a song for the summer. Thank you.
God good.
Jano, she say everybody else can stop make music. I this I song for you summer. Jano mama. I saw you did the artist them. But look at now. Chinese man run out. But it look like this a song gone over Japanese or over Chinese, one of them places. But yeah, what Chingwang Lu say?
Cute face, shape, clothes, gal, nice. Come in her cup and she mix it with liquor and ice. Holy doggy, bomba clot.
Yo, so me always see people fall out and say Alkaline put something in that song. Dog, Jado, brother, look how this song make Chingwang Lu attack some man. Jano, me I tell you, man, I enjoy the song, you freak. So look at now, people. Right now, you don't know young brother. You see me? Yeah, man, the song a mash up. Gyal good song, a mash up a place, people. Me I tell you, I'm not talk Jamaica alone. It a mash up the whole Caribbean and overseas. Can you see there? Like you reach over Japan or something. Chingwang Lu. You see me? So look what I go on.
Big up to all of the general and them who just listen to mix them. Yeah, man. Every real gal is the boss a blanket in the air right now on this part of the mix. Other than Father God.
One girl bang.
Other than my mother and my father. Other than my brother them.
One thing me want if you understand.
Other than money. Women love more. Women love more. Every gal is the boss a black now.
One girl bang. Tight old girl them.
Pussy. One girl bang. Tight old girl them. Fuck you over now.
One thing me want if you understand. One girl good, girl good.
One thing more than you understand. One girl good.
The pussy top tier with one pound. One girl good, girl good.
Okay.
People, yeah man, this song tough man. What not David? People, so look at now our next girl forward out, Yo, people, this song a tear up a place. The girl them can't sleep. Right now, every girl good right now. Me I tell you that. So, listen what I go on.
Before me talk about it, but Alkaline, you, me don't know what you put in that song, yeah? But me not tell you, you put something in the song. Something in a, listen to me, man. Listen to me.
When girl good, girl good.
Gyal good, gyal good.
When girl good, girl good. Nah.
You not even kill up himself, but the Alkaline that still. You not have to kill up himself to prove a point. This song, but listen to me, I'm cuss bad with you just like.
Tell the Vicky something. No, yo, no play with the Vendetta boss. Song tough.
I never kind of cup Alkaline and she drink it mixed with liquor and ice. So that mom's the thirsty and just drink anything. About the Alkaline, man, this song bad still.
Think about that. When the time, glad, yo, boy, Alkaline, you know, say man, the man I go back in old style with it. Think about that. You know, film voice already. Yo, I tell you, she enjoy song, you know, it beat tough. That song, yeah, it tough, people, I tell you.
The song bad, listen to me, man. Me say song bad and COVID. Man, I ask you no. Anyways, man, I want to take care of my government business now. Bye.
Look here now, the girl them a go crazy. Look what I go on.
When Gyal good, cause yeah, that is the song of the summer, I'm telling you. I'm not gonna even lie. Alkaline did his big one with that song. Cause every minute I'm like, I want to me one and be understood. When Gyal good, cause yeah, that is the song of the summer, I'm telling you.
Yo, people, I tell you, Alkaline music powerful. I tell you that. Car, look here. Don't feel like say the hell of them not tune in what go on, you know. You can't tell that me, you can't tell Miss Pam nothing, you know. Miss Pam a rep the vendetta. Don't feel a joke thing. Show them what go on, Miss Pam. Gunshot a big skin.
Gunshot a big skin. Right now, when in the afterlife, you'll find out.
Who the badness inside out? You think to my out.
Know the badness inside out. Give fam something to cry about. Yeah, shoot to kill them, we shoot to kill. Gonna live.
Yo, Miss Pam a shoot we kill. No, Alka. Are we doing this as a eh? Look how Miss Pam supposed to sit down and go on retirement and go on. You know, maybe I enjoy the grandkids. Alkaline make Miss Pam a shoot we kill out here. John, no man.
Boy can't tell man to build now. With people can't show you we still can. That's why you can't one. We don't fear man, chill down your head.
Dance here, Miss Pam. Show them that. Miss Pam I want you. Miss Pam I say shoot fi kill. You think I chattings? Yeah man, so people we see that brother you forward out. And him a break down the storyline of Alkaline album. Cause people, you know, me realize people just a listen and them not understand. I feel like the album, yeah, it's different. I tell the people, it's different. And I realize that dancehall space sticking to one category, like them sticking to one type of sound, but Alkaline bring a different thing to this. So a lot of people are gonna say, yo, this is an album. Yeah. When I realize people, them why them always a compare. I never see them do this with other artists. Like them always a say, yo, this not look like 2016 album New Level Unlock. Brother, in everything, the first thing always be the original. It always be the baddest out of the rest. So if you in your mind say, yo, wait, brother, this is not New Level Unlock, brother. The man move on from that. That I want him just a forward in the game and every little thing. Top price, I want him say him reach him goal and things. And now, this is a different story, brother. You know, always just I try discredit things and I try pull back. Oh, yo, New Level Unlock better, man. Wait, this and that. I that with Uno. That's why the music not evolve from where it there. Because we just stuck at one place. We just want stuck at 2016. We don't want to grow. In every growth you have changes. You understand? But the brother you go break down the meaning of the tracklist, where it mean and understand. It's a good breakdown of the song, the man every little thing, you see me? But listen what I go on.
We'll go over this guy. Someone like him not understand what I go on. Different story. You see me? Man telling all him family proud of him and thing. Telling I look about him life. I want to go on listen. You see me? Sacrifice. Man tell him the sacrifices he had to make, including the people, the relationships that he had to sacrifice. But You see when I move and I'm a good youth, but I'm still bad. I'm still knock you off the ground, you see me? Man graduate from certain things and can't fuck with, you see me? That graduate means certain people graduate from, certain situations, certain meds graduate from, you see me? No emotion. You have to learn how to detach yourself and be logical and put your emotion to the side because emotions change, you see me? Feelings change, you see me? Then dog have to come around and say, yo, I'm have the key, I'm have a key for him one thing, I'm cut him one lane, I'm cut him one way, I'm not understand, I'm not listen. You see me? Then the dog goes to boom and say, as a matter of fact, pussy. You see me? I do this a different way. As a matter of fact, me raise the fucking bar. You see me? So I'm gonna blast now. I'm alright different. Make a girl I get wet tool on me, I wrote them in. Your girl turn good girl for me, cause me the masterpiece, you see me? Cause I feel well. Better way. Yo, hear me man. Listen to the music and get out your fucking feelings. This shit is fucking great.
Yeah, man, make them know that, man. You see, them people, you know, them not really listen to music, you know. You understand? Them not listen to music. A man them pray. You see me? Them not listen to music. Them just listen it. Them not listen for understand. And listen what the artist I say. Them just listen for judge. And bring down, yo, I'm gonna rate this and that. If I defeat them artists do it, them would have big it up. But yo, this is the baddest thing. Ray. Brother, and that's how it go. You can't just listen one thing and just so if you ever start a business and you try it one time, boom, and you just give up. And that's how it go. You think them rich great man out there and them man they out there just do it one time and it just rare. Man a multiple times, multiple turn downs, everything. You understand? So only just listen the album, the song in one time. Only not even listen it, sit down, all the mates and understand. You understand? Only just listen. Oh, skip. Listen, skip, rare. Only just listen shock value things. You see Sean Storm do a song name His Crash. Where that they now? Where that song they now? At them see no hype up boy. Yo, this is the biggest song out of the Clash. Rare. His Crash, Nish. Brother, where is that song now? Eh? Where that go? A little TikTok wave boom for the moment and that's it, brother. Eh? When last you see Sean Storm tour for that the song there? When last you see Sean Storm perform that the song there? Bro, the things when I realize when I run with, brother, are some madness. And when the quality, when you hear quality music, when it's, oh, this and a rare, but look at hit scratch them they are the thing they want to run with, dog. You understand? And mash up the thing. You see it? But them are quality music. See there? Good girl and mash up the place, the girl, them love your masterpiece. Graduate, you know, see, Miss Palmer dance. Bro, people out there in the world listen to music. So if you're not there and play hypocrite or bring down or whatever, people out there listen and listen quality music and I say, yo, Ray and this and a pain of them daily life. Some of them songs even motivate them as well. You understand? Especially different story. When you listen to different story, I say, yo, you know, say John will reach far and reach out and have money and I can take care of my family, them alright. Although me I fall from a poor background. A them thing there, brother. You see me? Gyal good now. What you mean? Every girl want to feel good. Every girl I say, yo, them think good, what's a Ray. What you mean? Make them feel confident in themselves. All of them get up every day and look in the mirror and say, John, I'm gonna look the best how I want to look. But that song name Gyal Good make me feel like, you know, somebody. Bro, enough of them songs, brother, I wanna just corrupt the thing. But when me rate say, I don't even give the album attention because so many albums dropped last year and I never see this attention around those albums. No breaking down, none of that. I never hear nobody a pick out that album. Oh, this is a song I rate. This is a song I rate. Yeah, man, I saw no move, man. That me I try show no. But people, when I don't know me the facts, you know, when I know me go to work already. You see me? At the end of the day, I want dancehall. I have to support the music. I want the culture to grow. You understand? When I want to Ray, this and that and Ray and thing when I make no sense when I contribute to the culture. You understand? The bag of hype and the this and that. That now build the culture, brother. We now live in a different world. This internet thing a fool, you know. You understand? It a fool, you know. But people out there listen. You see it? People out there listen. So, you can't say this album and Ray and this and that right now. But other albums in Japan never talk about. You sure say this are do well? This are do well. When last album drop in a dancehall and the whole industry worldwide that talk about it. So, when last? That me try show no man. So my time at the thing them you see the bring down wanna do it make people know about certain things. And when people out there when I pre like wanna listen to the album, they must say I want to know this a good album. Great album this. Because them all listen music. Uno not listen music. You understand? Uno not listen music. And that's the problem, and that's why the culture now grow over the years. Because the thing them only supposed to focus on and a highlight for make the culture grow, uno not do that. Or some different thing uno highlight, brother. You understand? Yeah, man, but uno don't know people. I want media facts on the app. You see me? Yeah, man, you know what thing said. That is it.